In other news, in a major embarrassment for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, the Supreme Court today suspended an order which was issued by his government that called for criminal defamation cases to be filed against the media. It had asked departments to track the media and file any defamation cases. The top court pointing out that Mr. Kejriwal has personally challenged criminal defamation cases against him on the grounds that they encroach his right to freedom of speech. And how can he then issue such a circular? Well, let's go across to Sonal Mehrotra for more on this. Sonal, a setback there for Arvind Kejriwal and the top court staying that controversial circular.
Well, Garki, the top court basically highlighting what we've been questioning all this while, that why the double speak. On one hand, you had the Delhi CM facing, or in fact fighting against the very defamation laws in the Supreme Court, asking them to have a relook at them because he was at the receiving end of them. And on the other, he asked all his officials to actually go ahead and file such cases against media organizations. So the Supreme Court really coming out to question his double speak, also questioning that, you can't be speaking at both sides really. But just for a backgrounder, what really was the circular all about? The circular had actually been issued to all departments saying that if you notice any news item being printed or broadcasted, both in print or electronic media, which is found to be a prima facie defamatory to the government, there should be immediate action and there should be a case filed against that particular news channel or the print organization. Well, that had created a furore. Everybody had gone out to question his style of functioning, but we'd also questioned the irony. Why is it that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, who incidentally is facing several defamation charges, one by Amit Sibal, whose petition came up before Supreme Court today, is going on to question it one side and also imposing it on the other. But what happened in Supreme Court is very interesting. Now today, when Mr. Amit Sibal, who also happens to be the son of Congress leader Kapil Sibal and was then the communication minister, had filed defamation case against Arvind Kejriwal. So when the court sat down to hear this case, really they have questioned that the both sides really have gone on to question this double speak, and for now it seems there will be a stay order on any such defamatory cases. So it's a relief on one hand for both Arvind Kejriwal and for all the organizations as well, but it is clearly an embarrassment and a big question mark on the way Aam Aadmi Party government has been working in the national capital.